kids, let's sing a counting song. Come and count, it's fun to see. Numbers growing 1 to 30. Number 1 stands tall and bright, shining like the guiding light. 1 is the start and it feels right. Number 2 skips side by side. 2 small hands are open wide. Counting is a joyful ride. Number 3 has curves to show. 3 balloons begin to glow. Up they fly and off they go. Number 4 is neat and square. 4 small steps take you there. Count them slowly with great care. Number 5 is full of cheer. 5 bright stars are shining clear. Clap your hands, the fun is here. Number 6 rolls round the floor. 6 small shells along the shore. Learning numbers gives us more. Number 8 like loops that twirl. 7 shoes upon our feet. Counting makes the game complete. Number 8 like loops that twirl. 8 bright beads for every girl. Counting makes the joy unfurl. Number 9 with curling line. 9 sweet apples on the vine. Counting feels like sunshine fine. Number 10 with 1 and 0. 10 small flags all wave hello. Counting makes you a hero. Number 11, tall and straight. 2, 1 standing side by gate. Counting numbers feel so great. Number 12 is shining new. 12 bright flowers in the dew. Count them all, it's fun for you. Number 13, lucky day. 13 birds all fly away. Counting helps us learn and play. Number 14, standing high. 14 kites fly in the sky. Counting makes the numbers fly. Number 15 says hello. 15 candles all aglow. Counting makes the learning grow. Number 16 shining bright. 16 stars a gentle night. Counting makes the world feel light. Number 17's in line. 17 leaves in sunshine. Counting makes the day divine. Number 18 bold and true. 18 raindrops fall on you. Counting feels like something new. Number 20 tall and keen. 19 trees with branches green. Counting shows the things unseen. Number 22 and 0. 23 bows that play and flow. Counting makes you learn and grow. Number 21 shines so bright. 21 1 balloons take flight. Counting makes the world so light. Number 22 side by side. 22 fish in the tide. Counting fills our hearts with pride. Number 23 in line. 23 bells ring and chime. Counting helps us every time. Number 24 so clear. 24 stars twinkle near. Counting fills the night with cheer. Number 25 alive. 25 bees in the hive. Counting makes the world alive. Number 26 to mix. 26 bricks we can fix. Counting makes us clever quick. Number 27 neat and true. 27 birds that flew. Counting brings a smile to you. Number 28 don't be late. 28 doors by the gate. Counting makes us celebrate. Number 29 so fine. 29 rays of sunshine. Counting feels like a gold mine. Number 33 and 0. 30 stars shine like a hero. Counting makes the knowledge grow. Come and count, it's fun to see. Numbers growing 1 to 30. I hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. See you soon, guys. Bye.